Hello, learners! Welcome to our exciting quiz on text structures of expository texts. Today we'll cover sequence, comparison and contrast, cause and effect, and problem and solution. Grab your pens and papers and let's begin. Question 1. Which structure organizes information in the order it happens step by step? A. Comparison and contrast. B. Cause and effect. C. Sequence. Correct answer. C. Sequence. Sequence organizes events or steps in the order they happen, often showing time or progression. Question 2. What text structure highlights the differences and similarities between two or more things? A. Cause and effect. B. Problem and solution. C. Comparison and contrast. Correct answer. C. Comparison and contrast. This structure emphasizes the similarities and differences between two or more subjects. Question 3. Which structure presents a problem and suggests possible solutions? A. Sequence. B. Problem and solution. C. Cause and effect. Correct answer. B. Problem and solution. This structure identifies an issue and proposes one or more ways to resolve it. Question 4. Which transition word is typically used to signal the result of an action in a cause and effect structure? A. Because of. B. Before. C. In contrast. Correct answer. A. Because of. This transition shows the cause that leads to a specific effect or outcome. Question 5. Which of these transition words signals a solution to a problem in a problem and solution structure? A. However. B. Therefore. C. Finally. Correct answer. B. Therefore. Therefore is used to introduce a solution or result after stating the problem. Question 6. What kind of concept map would best organize information comparing two subjects? A. Venn diagram. B. Fishbone diagram. C. Timeline. Correct answer. A Venn diagram. A Venn diagram helps visualize the similarities and differences between two or more things. Question 7. Which text structure would best be represented with a timeline? A. Cause and effect. B. Sequence. C. Problem and solution. Correct answer. B. Sequence. A timeline is often used in the sequence structure to show events in chronological order. Question 8. Which of these transition words does not typically signal a problem and solution structure? A. Since. B. Problem is. C. Meanwhile. Correct answer. C. Meanwhile. Meanwhile is used to show simultaneous actions, which fits better in a sequence structure. Question 9. What text structure explains why something happened and what the outcome is? A. Cause and effect. B. Sequence. C. Comparison and contrast. Correct answer. A. Cause and effect. This structure connects causes to their outcomes, showing the relationship between events. Question 10. Which set of transition words is most often used in a sequence structure? A. First, next, finally. B. As a result, because. C. Either, on the other hand. Correct answer. A. First, next, finally. These words help organize events in the order they happen. Fantastic job, learners! How many questions did you get right? I'm sure you did great. Keep practicing and remember, understanding text structures makes reading and writing easier and more fun. It's time for our final test on text structures. I'll read the questions and choices, and at the end of each question, I'll reveal the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Which text structure uses words like first, second, and finally? A. Cause and effect. B. Problem and solution. C. Comparison and contrast. D. Sequence. Answer D. Sequence. Question 2. Which word signals a problem and solution structure? A. Thus. B. However. C. Next. D. Before. Answer A. Thus. Question 3. Which text structure explains the reasons and results of an event? A. Comparison and contrast. B. Problem and solution. C. Cause and effect. D. Sequence. Answer C. Cause and effect. Question 4. Which graphic organizer works best for sequence texts? A. Fishbone diagram. B. Timeline. C. Venn diagram. D. Flowchart. Answer B. Timeline. Question 5. Which transition words highlight comparison and contrast? A. Because of, led to. B. B, on the other hand, similarly. C, first, next, then. D, therefore, thus. Answer B, on the other hand, similarly. Well done, learners! You've completed the final test on text structures. I hope you answered all the questions correctly and learned something new today. Let me know how you did in today's test by dropping your score in the comments section below. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.